Meet Monty, your designated driver.
Wait, is it a neutral, Jace?
Don't be alarmed.
Yeah, good boy.
He's trained and he knows what he's doing.
Hey. Hey.
A is for accelerator. Monty understands and he's off. This isn't a trick. Monty, the giant Schnauzer Cross, is actually driving the car. 6 months ago, his owners gave him up. They said he was too difficult to control. But there's no sign of road rage here. The story begins indoors, where the dogs learn simple gestures. Over and over they practice, pushing buttons again and again. Once the gear changes are sorted out, it's on to steering.
Good boy.
In 7 weeks, the dogs are ready.
When we chain behaviours together, in this case we've got like 10 behaviours, you know, that we're all putting together, so each behaviour is a trained behaviour, and then you put them into a sequence. So it's a lot to do, you know, and for the dog to actually start to get an idea of what actually is happening takes quite a long time.
It's a lot of fun, but it has a serious purpose.
10. Good boy. 10. 10. Good.
The charity, based in the New Zealand city of Auckland, wants more rescue dogs to be adopted. They thought it would be easier if the public realised how intelligent they can be. Next Monday, 3 dogs' driving abilities will be tested live on national television. No people or animals were harmed during the making of this film. Bill Hayton, BBC News.